What's up, guys? Running the giveaway for the signed 8x10 picture of Connor McDavid. We've got 31 spots. We're going to go 3 times. Person on top after the third random is going to win that giveaway. So I'm going to copy the list, head over to random.org, post our list in. We've got 31 entries. We're going 3 times. Scroll down, post live in the thread. It was posted at 2:52. It is 2:52. We're going back over to random.org. We're going to go 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Copy the timestamp. Post it over into the thread. It was posted at 2:52. It is 2:52. Back over to random.org. Third and final. Good luck to everyone. Name on top wins the McDavid. Sammy, congrats. Copy the final timestamp. Post it over into the thread. It was posted at 2:53. It is 2:53. There we go. Thanks, everyone, and congrats to Sammy.